In this video, I'll show you how you can buy cars in Forza Horizon 6. Now, there are three main methods that you can use to buy cars in the game. Now, the first one is by using the Autoshow. So all you have to do is simply fast travel to the nearest Horizon Festival site, or you can simply fast travel to your home, and then you should get to this section. And then from here, navigate to buy and sell, and then choose the Autoshow. And then from here, you should see a list of all the available cars that are currently available on the Autoshow. Now, at this point, scroll through and find the car that you'd like to buy. So let me just find a random car. So for instance, this particular car, let's say for instance this car, all I have to do is select it, and then it will load the car details, or the design, sorry. So from here, you can choose the design from community, or you can choose the manufacturer colors, whichever you want. So let me just select this one. And then from here, you should see the price that it's currently on. So all you have to do is select, press on select, and then you should see this. Do you want to buy this car for that amount of credits? Simply select buy, and that car will be purchased and it will be added to your garage. So you can see, you have now successfully purchased that particular car. Now, another way you can buy cars in Forza Horizon 6 is by using the auction house. So in the festival site, all you have to do is to go to buy and sell, and then select auction house, choose that, and then select search auctions. And then you can search for any make, model, or performance cars, or even the car type. So once you've input what you need to type in, simply select confirm, and then you should see a list of all the available cars that are currently on auction. So find the car that you'd like to buy. So let's say for instance this one, select it to load the auction details, and then from here all you have to do is select place bid, and then you should see this prompt. Are you sure you want to bid that amount for this particular auction? Simply confirm, and you should see this bid successful. So bid has been accepted, and you can watch this auction from my bids page. So all you have to do is simply wait, and if you're the only person who has bid on that particular car, you will win that specific car. Alternatively, if you want to get that car, all you have to do is select buy out, and you can purchase that car immediately. So you should see this prompt. Are you sure you want to buy this auction? So you can select yes, and that car will be purchased instantly. So you'll see buyout successful. You can collect this car from my bids page. So once you have successfully buy it out, so go back, so go and scroll down and select my bids, and then from here you should see this option. So select it to load the auction details, and then all you have to do is select collect car, and now that car will be added to your garage. So give it a few seconds for you to claim that particular vehicle, and you should see this. You have successfully claimed this car and it has been added to your garage. So that's another one way you can buy cars in Forza Horizon 6. Now the other method is by using the aftermarket cars on the map. So these cars are basically found randomly on the map as you drive around, and all you have to do is go to a location whereby there's a high chance of those aftermarket cars. So simply pause your game and bring up the world map, and then first travel to any nearest time attack event. So these time attacks, there's always an aftermarket car there. So simply fast travel. And then from here, as you will see on the minimap, there should be an aftermarket vehicle. So for this minimap, I cannot see one. So let me just fast travel to another time attack event. So once you're near a time attack event, you should see these cars pop up, these icons for aftermarket cars. And you can see there's a, let's say for instance, there's a Turbo 911 S23 2023 for sale. So all you have to do is drive next to it, and you should see the interaction button or the interaction option. So simply press it on your controller or your PC or your keyboard, and then you should see a brief start of what the car is all about, the statistics. So all you have to do is simply select purchase car if you want to buy it, or you can simply choose to test drive that particular vehicle. So to purchase that car, select purchase car, and then are you sure, you should see this prompt, are you sure you want to buy this car? Simply select yes, and then you can simply choose to drive it now, or you can store it in the garage. So let me just select drive it now, and there you go. You can now see you have purchased that particular car. So those are the 3 ways of which you can buy cars in Forza Horizon 6. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.